In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email on Go High Level. Whether you're reaching out to current clients, potential customers, or simply communicating with your team, email is a fundamental part of digital communication. Go High Level provides a comprehensive platform for managing these communications, and today we'll navigate its email functionality step by step. Let's start with the basics. First, you'll need to access Go High Level. Simply type in www.gohighlevel.com into your browser's address bar. This brings you to Go High Level's homepage, which is the gateway to all of its features. Next, you'll want to log into your account. Find and click on the Login to App button, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. It's your key to unlocking the full potential of Go High Level's platform. Now, the login screen appears. Here you will enter your email address. This should be the email you used when signing up for Go High Level. Make sure it's entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Moving on, it's time to enter your password in the provided field. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so enter it exactly as you set it. If you've forgotten it, there's usually a forgot password link nearby to assist you in resetting it. Upon entering your login credentials, you will then click on the sign in button. This will attempt to authenticate your details and log you into the platform. Security is paramount, so you may be prompted to click on send security code. This additional step ensures that only authorized users can access the account. Check your affiliated email or phone for the code. Once you've received your security code, enter it in the designated field to complete the verification process. This step is crucial for protecting your account from unauthorized access. With the security check complete, you'll find yourself on the Go High Level dashboard. This is where the magic happens. It's your command center for accessing all of Go High Level's features and functionalities. For our specific task of sending an email, you'll need to navigate to sub-accounts and select an account. This could be your own agency's account or a client's account you manage. Make your selection based on who the email will be representing. The next step is to go to contacts. This section allows you to manage and select the recipients of your email. Whether it's a single contact or a group, ensure you have the correct recipients selected for your email. Then proceed by navigating to marketing. This area of Go High Level broadens your strategies for reaching out. It's here that you'll start the process of creating and sending out an email campaign. Within the marketing section, click on emails. This directs you to where you can manage and observe all your email related activities. Follow this up by clicking on Campaigns. Campaigns organize your email efforts and allow you to manage multiple emails under a single initiative. Ready to create your email, click on New. This is your starting point for crafting the email you wish to send. From here you will be guided through Go High Level's email creation tools, which will help you design, draft, and eventually send your email. Remember, while crafting your email, clarity and engagement are key. Make sure your message is clear and your call to action is compelling. Utilize Go High Level's editing and formatting tools to make your email stand out. Whether it's a newsletter, an announcement, or a promotional message, your email should capture the recipient's attention and deliver your message effectively. Finally, after designing and drafting your email, you'll proceed to send it to your selected recipients. This step might involve scheduling the email for a later time or sending it immediately, depending on your strategy. There you have it, a thorough guide to sending an email on Go High Level. This process, from logging in to crafting and sending the email, is designed to be user-friendly while offering a breadth of features to customize your communications. Remember, successful email marketing involves not just sending messages, but crafting them in a way that resonates with your audience. Happy emailing?